Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and 0x6x078 the blue dot screen. How to resolve the issue? So guys, first step is guys click to start button, then click to setting, then click guys Windows update. So please check any KB series is up to date and Windows clear install. Okay, because last update on now it is downloading 2012 2. So proper up to date your Windows. Okay. Second solutions guys, you have is antivirus, so you can scan your systems. If you don't have antivirus, so you can click to start button, type Windows security. Virus and threat protections, scan options, then you scan Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scanner, and then click to scan. This will start your device and will take about 15 minutes. Okay, automatically restart. And guys, next solutions, click to start button, type control panel, uninstall latest update. If you facing after update you have issues, so you can uninstall the update. How to uninstall latest update? Click to uninstall and program, again showing, select category, uninstall programs, view install updates. Okay, this is install update, select and click to uninstall. Means last, which one last? This one last, so you can click to uninstall. Okay, and last and final method, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy, and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.